Hi guys, this is my third video. In this video, I will sing a Rama bhajan. First, let's talk about some fun facts about Rama. Rama is a major deity in Hinduism. He is worshipped as the seventh and one of the most popular avatars of Vishnu. He is also considered the ideal man, Maryada Purushottama. His birth is celebrated every year on Ramanavami. According to the Ramayana, Rama was born to Dasharatha and his first wife Kausalya in Ayodhya, the capital of the kingdom of Kosala. His siblings included Lakshmana, Bharata, and Shatrughna. He married Sita. Born in a royal family, Rama's life is described in the Hindu texts as one challenged by unexpected changes, such as an exile into impoverished and difficult circumstances and challenges of ethical questions and moral dilemmas. The most notable story involving Rama is the kidnapping of Sita by the demon king Ravana, followed by Rama and Lakshmana's journey to rescue her. The life story of Rama, Sita, and their companions discuss duties, rights, and social responsibilities of an individual. It illustrates dharma and dharmic living through moral characters. Now I will sing Sri Ramashtakam. Shri Shiva Uvacha Sugrivamitram Paramam Pavitram Sita-kalatram navamegagatram karunyapatram shatapatranetram Shri Ramachandram satatam namami samsarasaram nigamapracharam dharmavataram hritabhumibaram Sada vikaram sukhasindusaram Shri Ramachandram satatam namami Lakshmi vilasam jagatam nivasam Lanka vinasham bhuvana prakasham Bhudeva vasam sharadinduhasam Shri Ramachandram satatam namami Mandaramalam vachane rasalam Gunair vishalam hatasaptatalam Kravyadakalam suralokapalam Shri Ramachandram satatam namami Vedantaganam sakalai samanam Hrtarimanam tridashapradanam Gajendrayanam vigatavasanam Shri Ramachandram satatam namami Shyamabhiramam nayanabhiramam Gunabhiramam vachanabhiramam Vishwapranamam kritabhaktakamam Shri Ramachandram satatam namami Leela shadiram ranarangadiram Vishvaikasaram raghuvam Gambhiranadam jitasarvavadam Shri Ramachandram satatam namami Khale kritantam swajane vinitam Samopagitam manasa pratitam Ragena gitam vachanadatitam Shri Ramachandram satatam namami Shri Ramachandrasya varashtakam tvam Mayeritam devi manoharam ye Patanti shunvanti grananti bhaktya Te sviyakaman pralabanti nityam Shri Ramashtakam samaptam Shri Ram Jaya Jaya Ram Jaya Jaya Shri Ram Jaya Jaya Ram Shri Ram Jaya Ram Shri Ram Shri Ram Jaya Ram Shri Ram Shri Ram Jaya Jaya Ram, Jaya Shri Ram Jaya Jaya Ram, Shri Ram Jaya Jaya Ram, Jaya Jaya Shri Ram Jaya Jaya Ram, Shri Ram Jaya Ram, Shri Ram, Shri Ram Jaya Ram, Shri Ram, Shri Ram Jaya Jaya Ram, Jaya Shri Ram Jaya Jaya Ram. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe so I get inspired to make more videos.